Today I'm showing you how to make white chocolate raspberry cookies. Trust me, they're as delicious as they sound. Let's get started. First things first, I prep my raspberries by chopping them on a paper towel and setting them aside for about 20 minutes. This little trick helps absorb any excess juice that could affect the texture of our cookies. Next, I whisk together my dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a medium bowl. This gets set aside while we prep our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, I cream together softened unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This took me about 2 to 3 minutes on medium high. Then I beat in a large egg and a splash of vanilla extract until everything was fully incorporated. Quick tip, make sure your butter and egg are at room temperature. This makes for a smoother batter and more even baking. Now I gradually added the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful to not overmix the batter. We want tender cookies, not tough ones. Here's the fun part, gently folding in the white chocolate chips and our prepped raspberries. Be gentle with those raspberries to keep them from coloring the dough too much with their juices. Using a cookie scoop, I drop the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to space the dough about 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. Now I bake these beauties in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until the edges were slightly golden and the centers were set. If you're looking for that picture-perfect round shape, once your cookies are fresh out of the oven, simply take a glass, put it over your cookie, do a little swirl, and voila, the picture-perfect round cookie shape. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to your wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. These white chocolate raspberry cookies are not only soft and chewy, but also super easy to whip up. Perfect for any day of the week. If you like this recipe, be sure to check out the description box for the full recipe on my blog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know how your cookies turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Happy baking. Bye.